So there's more to the story for provision throughput because you have different throughput strategies that you can choose when you create your database and container. And we said earlier, when you create a database, you always have to create a container with it. And the two modes are dedicated and shared mode. So for dedicated mode, throughput is exclusive to this container and backed by SLAs. For shared throughput or shared mode, the throughput is shared across all your containers. You cannot create throughput strategies after creation, so you have to choose wisely. And to switch throughput strategies, you basically just have to create a new database and migrate that data over, or sorry, container, and migrate that data over. So when you're creating your database and your container, there's this little checkbox for shared throughput across containers. That's how you know it's set for shared mode. Shared throughput is not available for capacity mode of serverless because it's all about provision throughput, which makes sense. So when should you share? When should you not share? So sharing the database level provision throughput among its containers is analogous. I don't know why I chose that word. It's such a hard word, but that means to compare things, to hosting a database on a cluster of machines. So because all containers within a database share the resources available machine, you naturally do not get predictable performance or any specific container, but you get better utility or usage of your resources. They're not going to waste. So I think it's most like a cost strategy kind of thing, because if you have a bunch of containers and they're not being used, you want it evenly distributed. But yeah, that's all there is about that feature, okay?